Hi guys, let me show you the schedule. My late night eating. 2:27 in the morning. I'm such a whack job. Let me show you what I'm eating. These little salads, $2. Got them on sale. Never seen them that cheap. 3 eggs. Steak. This is New York strip. Check this out. I'm so excited. I'm rotating from Costco, New York strip, the whole, I have to cut it. This top sirloin, we gotta take Sky Rizzy soon. Not excited. This, look at this, prime. I never get prime, it's too expensive. Let me take it out. You know I get excited about meat. Let me show you this. Look at the price. So this is top sirloin, prime. Look, $100. $100, and I'll get, I don't know, 9 to 14 steaks out of this. Yes, sir. I'm super pumped. Got all my food. Get back in the zone. When I'm on it and prepping and not tired, and I don't feel, I just bought this. So these, what are these? Drumsticks. I'll eat these. Chicken thighs, right? I don't do great on a lot of carbs. Fruit, so that gives me some of the carbs I like. And let me show you these salads. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is the new fridge. Of course, everything goes bad on me. It's freaking awesome. But let me show you. That's when I'm on my game, okay? Look, them little salads were $2. Usually 3, I think 3 or so. I like them. And then my favorite thing on this new fridge, look at this little water dispenser. So cool. But my favorite thing on this whole fridge, right here, my little soda. Look at this, 29 degrees. This gets cold and it's the perfect ice layer. It starts to make my ice layer perfect. The sodas. It's my favorite drawer. It's icy, cold, delicious. I love this. Maybe I'll do a whole thing on this and show you. Favorite drawer at 2:30 in the morning. Okay, so this is it. Putting on the plate, that salad, 3 eggs, some protein, and my body feels great. And this, wait, let me show you one more thing. Such a kid. I think I felt this today, and I got a new pre-workout, but this isn't it. If I feel how I felt today on this, tomorrow, those Zip Fizzes, there's like a ton of B12 and other vitamins. We'll see how I feel. But I had good energy, and I had a phlebotomy. They took my blood. Sad, right? We have to start the Sky Rizzy. So we will test this tomorrow. This could be a game changer for me. We'll see. I'll tell you. Usually just a Gatorade before I train for a little sugar, better pumps. I bought this. Check this out. Insane Labs. Haven't had it before. They're all over TikTok. Decent products. People love them. I got this on a flash sale, like less than $8. Do you know how happy I was? Less than $8. So happy right now. So this, we'll try this. That Zip Fizz, I'll tell you about it. Right. So right now, let me show you what I'm taking. So it's not right. I don't love it. I don't feel it that much. Woke AF cherry flavor. And even some sardines for the dogs. Oh, last thing, because they've been fighting so much. 2 crates. Look at this. I have 2 crates in the house now, so they can chill when we're watching TV. They've been fighting a lot lately. Where is he? Where is he? Where are they? That's mine. Right? He's like, Dad, you're a whack job. Let's go over here. Does he have the guy over here? Nope. What are you looking at? They're like, dude, really? What are you looking at? Such a